It's very hard for founder to say, but after 6 years of building finance product, we didn't find product market fit. So we decided to kill the old business that is actually generating $3 million annual revenue and fully rebuild the business for the next 3 months. So this is week 2 out of 12 of making new pivot. First things first, we finally have our date of release. So remember, September 29. Also, previous week, we finally choose our first measurable goal to get 120 meetings booked during their release. How we will do that? This is a goal for the next 2 weeks, actually, to get the whole plan for a go-to-market team with all the projects and all the goals. The next thing that we chose first for current customers that will test our product first, and the fifth one will be fuelfinance itself. So we will test all finance agents on ourselves and we'll see how it works. So the product side. So we have 3 parallel things. The first one, product itself, all the features and design part. The second is engineering part, and the third is, we name it finance brain. So with design and product, we've made 5 iterations of product design. It's not final yet, so this is a goal for the next week. The second thing with engineering team, we ran small tests with 1 agent and 1 workflow, and it was fully accurate, so it means that the future product will work. Great result here. And the third one was Finance Brain. We are creating different skills, describing agents and all the financial rules. And here we already made memory, 16 types of context, oh my gosh. And also controlling agent is 40% done now. And we also have accounts receivable and accounts payable agents, which are now like 30% done. And overall, we have 25 plus different agents that we need to describe in Finance Brain. I will be back next week with our next updates. And follow along if you want to know more how this pivot is going. And please share in the comments if you're also going through similar things. See you next week. May the profit be with you.